What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been following this build, me and the homies pitched in to buy Somchay and EK. We've got the transmission fixed. It was blown before, now it's running. We got some new suspension on it, but the lower control arms haven't gotten here yet. So we can't really put the suspension on, but we got a camber kit in there. Today, he has some new wheels for it, and we're gonna be throwing those on and test fitting it to get the perfect fitment. That's what we're gonna be doing today. We got these front arms, but they're really ugly. The welding on this could have been a lot better, but that's what you get for buying from eBay. The welds are so bad on this. But we're gonna need these to get the perfect fitment. I'm telling you, this thing's gonna look so good. The color on it is gonna be amazing. I'm so stoked of how it's gonna be coming out. Here's the suspension right now. We got some Tein Coilovers, and I'm so stoked. The end result on this is gonna be amazing. You guys just have to stick and wait until it's all finished, because you guys are gonna be blown away. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Just two of these bolts up there. We gotta take the coil off again, and then we're gonna be throwing on the wheels and getting that perfect lip to fender fitment. Like, this thing is gonna go so hard. How much you get these for?
20 bucks.
$20 for this weld right here. But we need these, so.
But you pay for what you get.
Yeah, you pay for what you get. But yeah, let's go. I have to take the coil off and we're gonna get it started. So we got the upper arm out. Just pop it out right here. This 14, these two bolts are 14s. You have to take the battery out, but it's going pretty smooth. No broken bolts today.
Just to be safe, we're gonna stop by the store.
Yeah, get some new ones.
Just to be safe.
Then the wheels are right here. A little sneak peek for now. Just got the whole front camber arm.
Camber kit?
Camber? I don't know. Front camber in there. It's looking pretty nice. Now we're gonna throw the wheels on. The special reveal. Ooh, baby. They're JNC 17x8 plus 30s. A little high of offset, but.
Oh.
Dude!
Right, that's nice. Dude, that's nice right there.
Yes. The other day we put it on, it was like this. It sunk in, but today, since we fixed that.
I think we might only need one block.
Oh! Dude, that's looking fire. So we're deciding to take this one off because we're not liking the fitment. But with the stock ones, it looks really good. If anyone wants to buy these, $400? Yeah, we'll probably continue this another day. We gotta wait for some wheel spacers to come in and get the perfect fitment, so. Oh, nice. We are gonna continue. We're gonna continue today's video because UPS has showed up. Woo! Look at it, we got it.
Yes, you
the
got
rear
the right control arms.
Maybe, I don't know. We'll see.
Hello, my name's Tommy. I like to introduce myself. We're gonna do an unboxing of Somchy's control arms.
So gay. So gay.
I'm trying to think, how come we didn't this one have under? What's up, Captain?
Hopefully the right one this time.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, you gotta be the right one.
Oh, you got your beam. This is your beam.
Yes.
And then here's that. This is the middle. This is your middle.
Finally.
A lot bigger. A lot better. Hold on, let me screw the bottom of it.
Oh, wow, I can take it. Thanks, Ronnie.
Yeah.
You think it's the right one this time?
Reminds me of a fishing lure.
Gotta be the right one, It's gotta be the right
so.
one. Gotta be the right one, man. Damn, that shit is hard, dude. I don't even know what it does.
Oh, here you go. Oh, these are definitely the white ones. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The other ones were way shorter.
For Del Sol and EZ. This one is for EK.
You know what that means? Today we can lower down the car.
So there's some more neochrome.
Oh,
another bar.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's fucking finish it today, because I'm sick of seeing it sit like this.
You had to go with your dad.
He just needed the jack. But we need the jack now.
See? Oh wait. So the other one didn't have this. Now this one has this.
Oh, it came in! It came in fast! What the heck?
Let's go put it on, dude.
Hey, let me set this up really quick.
Okay.
Last seat.
It's the right part.
For
Someone's car.
oh wow.
The one that he bought the wrong one of. It looked like Somi's having trouble putting it in the hole.
I know, man. You can put it in there all night.
Alright, so what's going on?
So we. Damn, relax. So we got this in. There's a little bracket that holds back here. Remember that gray piece?
Oh, that one?
Yeah, it's threaded.
Oh.
So you put that in the back and then you thread these through to catch it. And the long bolt, I think we're doing it right. This is a long bolt for the control arm. That's gonna stick right here. I can't do it right now because I gotta drill this fucking bolt that we broke out.
Oh, that was still not done up for that one?
Yeah. And this fool is still having a hard time putting
Got it.
eBay parts, baby. What's up, guys? It's a new day. Just came back from Harbor Freight. I picked up this screw remover kit as well as more bits because I keep breaking them. If you didn't know, there is a bolt back here that is broken from the last video that we have not gotten out yet. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right here. But yeah, we cannot finish the car until this is out. We already got the back beautiful. But yeah, we gotta do that to get this final lower control arm in so that way we can drop the car. But we have another problem. I locked my keys in the car and the jack's in there. So we gotta figure out a way to fucking get my keys out. I'm trying to break into my car right now. The shoelace method. And we got the fucking, oh, you're such a gangster.
Oh,
Yeah. You're,
oh, god damn it.
oh, no. Don't pull this side. Oh, shit.
I have to pull this side.
You gotta pull it slow. Oh, no. Yeah, there you go. You gotta go down somehow. Oh, my God.
No.
There you go. No, pull this all the way down. Oh, shit, we gotta reset.
Yeah.
Just drink it, yeah. So the key is you gotta pull all the way to one side, tie a little knot.
Tie knot right here, yeah, hard.
Alright, tie a big ass knot, pull it through.
It's too big now.
No, it's like you have to get over that. There you go.
Oh shit. Bro. Pull it up.
Oh. Watch this.
Oh, pull it.
Oh, come on. No.
Go down, yeah. Keep going down.
Fuck.
Oh.
Wait. If I go. Fuck.
So close. Instead of wasting all that time, why didn't we just go to your house to get the keys?
Yeah, this is funner.
So stupid.
Ready.
Let me know what you want me to do.
Oh. I give up.
Let's go get your fucking your spare keys, stupid.
This is hard. Fuck this. After countless tools and hours, we finally got this fucking bitch out. Thank the Lord. Fuck you, bitch. That took a long ass fucking time. I'm so over this car. We finally put the last coilover on finally, and we can get it off the ground. Or onto the ground and see what it finally looks like. I'm fucking beat. This car has destroyed me. It has kicked my ass.
Wow.
Thank you, sir. We did it! Fuck, dude. Holy shit, how long did that take? 3 days?
No. 5.
Holy fuck, dude.
Well, that doesn't even change the fact. Now my car can move, but it won't start.
Oh my god.
Gotta replace the ignition. Do we need to fix anything else on it?
No, we'll just fucking throw it on. This car defeated me, dude.
Bro,
This car.
I gotta head out.
Oh yeah? Okay. It's all good. We can finish this another day.
I'll come home and do it later.
Alright.
I'll clean up and everything. Thank you though. Oh, you can even see the
You guys got all done. Yay! Looks nice.
Look at this dude already Snapchatting
Yep.
this up. Guys, we fucking did it. Oh shit, my bad. Look at that. Tein coils. Oh yes. Finally all done. Fuck those rusted bolts. We're gonna wait another day till we have to slam it, because everyone has family things to do today. I just want to get this done today, show you guys the struggle we've been going through to battle these broken rusted bolts. But other than that, if you guys haven't subscribed, please do. We're trying to hit 5K this year, so let's get it. And next time you see this thing, it's gonna be on the ground with some new wheels. So stay tuned. Love y'all. Peace out.